Hi, my name is Ryan Hughley with Landscape Legends. We build websites and do SEO for landscaping companies, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining why your Google Business Profile is so important. Now, if you don't know what a Google Business Profile is, you can head over to google.com/business to create your Google Business Profile. It's essentially just registering your business with Google so that when people are searching for your business or for a business of your type, aka a landscaping or lawn care business or tree service, whatever it is, that you can be shown to people searching for your services. So like I said, you can go to google.com/business. It's free to create. You may have to jump through some hoops for verification, but this is a good thing because this means only legit businesses are going to be able to have profiles, and the guys that are just kind of fly by night, they're not necessarily going to have what they need to be verified. So why should you even worry about creating a Google Business Profile? Because when people are searching for a landscaper near me or a landscaper in your town, this is the first thing that shows up, typically. Sometimes there's some ads like Google Guarantee Local Service ads, traditional ads, but traditionally, this right here is what we call the Google Maps pack. Traditionally, it's one of the first things that shows up on Google. Now, why is this important? Because you have to have a Google Business Profile to show up here. So if you don't have a Google Business Profile and people are searching for landscaper near me and you're in Des Moines, Iowa, people aren't going to be finding you here. You're never going to exist on these first three spots, which means your competition is going to be getting leads that are qualified and ready to buy, and you're not. So to show up in one of these three spots, you have to have a Google Business Profile. Now, there's really three core benefits that come along with your Google Business Profile, and also just like your website in general. This is really what we build our websites around, this foundation right here. Traffic, trust, and conversion. So we're going to start at the bottom with conversion and explain why the Google Business Profile helps with these three different things. Number one, conversion. When people are searching for your company, you need to show up, even if it's just a referral. You don't even have to have a website to have a Google Business Profile. At a minimum, you need a Google Business Profile. Because like I said, when people get referred to you or they see your postcard or door hanger or whatever it is, and they go online to look up more information about you, just like our client here, McGinn Property Services, when someone is searching for their business, they can see their Google Business Profile and they can see the reviews and their phone number and information on their website. If you don't have a Google Business Profile and you don't have a website or anything, it's going to be a lot harder for people that are, like I said, referrals who want to work with you specifically. It's going to be hard for them to even find your contact information. So having a Google Business Profile makes it easier for people to find information on your company and contact you. That is super crucial. It's simple, but crucial. Number two, trust. This is a big part of why your Google Business Profile is important, because of your Google reviews. As you can see here for our client, he's got 22 5-star reviews. This means that anytime anyone comes across their company online, they're going to see this 22 5-star reviews, and they're going to have a much more positive perception of this company throughout the rest of the sales process. Because when you lead with a positive first impression and they see 22 5-star reviews, like I said, that alters their perception of this company, and they view this company as a 5-star company. And then when all the competition doesn't have nearly as many reviews, that makes them stick out even more. This will help make it easier for you to sell jobs because they have more trust and more faith in you. But it's also going to help you maybe get away with charging a little bit more. Because if you've got a prospect who is getting 3 quotes and the other 2 guys are cheaper than you and you're the most expensive, but if throughout the whole sales process you've proven that you're a company that can be trusted and they've seen that firsthand with your reviews and your testimonials and your overall online presence, they may be willing to spend an extra 5, 10, 15% more to work with you because they trust you. This is crucial as you grow. Now, lastly, once you have the foundation of conversion and trust built, because without an easy conversion mechanism of them contacting you and without being able to gain their trust, it doesn't matter how much traffic you send to your Google Business Profile or your website or your Facebook profile or anything, they're not going to want to contact you. So lastly, with traffic, just like I mentioned earlier, when someone is searching for a landscaper in your local area, you need to show up here. Now, for this specific example, this is a newer client, and we've got some work to do to show up for Jordan, New York landscaper. Website showing up, but not in the Google business profile. But when you're showing up in these 3 positions in your local area and towns that you service, people are going to visit your Google business profile and your website significantly more because you are where they are searching. You see, this is the big power behind Google in general, and why we really focus on it is because people that are searching on Google have high intent. They are ready to hire a landscaper or get the ball rolling on a new design or whatever it is. They have intent behind their search. Whereas on Facebook, people are more just scrolling through, looking at memes, getting news updates, and they see a picture of your project. Okay, you can stay top of mind, which is very beneficial as well, building that brand awareness. But this helps you capture that super hot traffic that, like I said, is ready to hire a landscaper right now. When I was running my landscaping business, the first wave of growth that we experienced was kind of just through word of mouth and Facebook. And that's probably how a lot of you grow. Then from there, the next kind of sprint of growth that we experienced was when we took Google seriously in our Google business profile. We sat down, we optimized the profile, got the reviews we needed, built a website that was optimized to get found on Google, and attached it to our Google business profile. And then we saw a whole new wave of growth because we were capturing those people who maybe didn't know anyone in the local area that provided these services. So they went to Google and found our company first because we were at the top of Google. Now, if you'd like me and my team at Landscape Legends to help boost your Google business profile and build you a website that gets found by people searching for your services on Google, make sure to visit wearelandscapelegends.com. Click Get Started to schedule your intro call and see if we'd be a good fit to work together.